Hey everybody, this is just a quick video to help you out if you have a Samsung oven and you're getting an E08 error on the oven. What is it and how to get rid of it? So an E08 error is an error that the oven will put up when it's trying to heat, but it is not sensing that it's heating and it's failing to heat. The main thing that's going to be causing this is basically your oven is not getting enough electricity in order to heat properly. So the first thing you're going to want to do is just disconnect it from the power, and then you're going to check and make sure that everything is hooked up properly, that it's hooked in to your circuit board and everything, or plugged into the wall, it's getting the proper voltage and everything like that in order to get the proper electricity to heat up. Once you've done that, if you just leave it off for a few minutes, let everything reset, and then once you've left it unplugged for a few minutes, let everything reset, check all the cabling and make sure everything's plugged in correctly. Then you can turn it back on and see if the error doesn't go away. And the error should go away. If it doesn't, you're probably going to need to call out for a technician to come take a look at it. But anyways, hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.